Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Sexy Smooth Groove. The song is Shorty. The artist is PLIES featuring T-Pain, and the choreography is Denicia Gray. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you want the step-by-step instructions, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it.
Hey, what's happening, homie, man? This is the one PLIES, man. Hey, Payne, I want you to tell about your show, homie. And I'm telling about mine, dog. Even though I'm not your man, you're not my girl, I'ma call you my shawty. 'Cause I can't stand to see you treated bad. I be there for my shawty. And in the end, ain't nothing that we ain't supposed to do, 'cause you my shawty. Baby girl, you know I be gon' keep me on the ringtone. Soon as I see her, told her I'd pay for it. The mom the baddest thing around, and she already know it. I pointed at the dunk and told her this supposed to be yours. Straight up cover stocks and told her I'd let her blow it. The hottest thing in the city, baby, you can't ignore it. I showed her I was a real good and she went for it. First time I caught her, she didn't know how to throw it back. Now she an animal, I got her game right. I told her how to talk to me while she take it on up and show her what a real goon like. I told her you to do this on the first night. 'Cause after I beat your bed, I'm liable to mess up your whole life. I got a train now she soaked me with ice. I call her my little baby 'cause she keep it tight. Whenever I tell her, think I can tell her twice. Whenever I wanna get on, she know how to get me right. You know I'm not your man, you're not my girl, I'ma call you my shawty. 'Cause I can't stand to see you treated bad. I be there for my shawty. And we ain't need nothing that we ain't supposed to do, 'cause you my shawty. Baby girl, you know I be gon' keep me on the ringtone. Say it to me. That's why I'm mind breaking off, 'cause she ain't with the drama. If you done before, you know how to cover mama. You know she gotta be something, 'cause I done beat her humble. Baby snatching down there, I'm telling you, I promise. I exposed her the real, and now she hate lame. Remember she used to run from me, now she like. She call me sometimes just to act piece of the other thing. And since I heard up and saw her, she ain't been the same. You know I'm not your man, you're not my girl, I'ma call you my shawty. 'Cause I can't stand to see you treated bad. I be there for my shawty. And we ain't need nothing that we ain't supposed to do, 'cause you my shawty. Baby girl, you know I be gon' keep me on the ringtone. Say it to me.
go. Sexy, smooth groove. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.